Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to share YouTube channel link quickly. So let's get started. The process to share YouTube channel link is quick and straightforward. First open YouTube app on your mobile. Now tap on search icon at the top and search for the channel whose link you wish to share. Let's search for my channel. From the search results, tap on channel name. Now on the channel homepage, tap on three dots located at the top right side. From the menu at the bottom, tap on share option. Here you will get an option to copy the channel link. Also you can directly share the link on Reddit, Facebook, Twitter, Messenger, WhatsApp, Gmail, Messages and Telegram. Just tap on the option suitable for you and you will be able to share the YouTube channel link. So that is how you can share YouTube channel link to anyone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.